What is up, guys? Kevin here, and I know I haven't uploaded a video in a long time. I don't really know what I'm gonna do for now. I just decided to make this random video. So today here we have warheads. This is the it says extreme sour hard candy, the apple flavor. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna eat this, and if my mouth feels like it's gonna explode, I'm gonna drink this water. So good. So it's kind of like a challenge. I don't know. It's not really intended to be a challenge, but if you guys want to see my stupid reaction every time I eat sour stuff, then stay tuned. So let me open this. Alright, looks like I'm about to eat a cough drop covered in salt. I've had these before. I already know. Let me just lick it. Alright, without further ado, let's do this. So, it wasn't that bad. Sourness lasted like 10 seconds, more or less, I don't know. But, let me tell you guys something. After you eat a warhead, after all the sourness is gone, it tastes terrible. So, let me use this water to wash it out. If you like this video, it's so random, I don't know. I'll probably just be making videos like this from now on. I don't really know, but yeah, I'm thinking of making more videos like this today, so I might. So stay tuned, make sure. I love you guys.